Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video is just going to be a quick one about when is the best time of the year to start match betting to make the absolute most amount of profit. On the live streams that I do here on the channel answering people's match betting questions, whenever there is a question that gets asked over and over again, I do like to then put a video together and just explain my answer in a bit more detail. Before we get into it though, and I actually talk about the best time to start match betting, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group. For those of you that are yet to still join it, the link for that will be down in the description. But having said that, let's start with the worst time to start match betting. So in my opinion, and remember it is just my opinion, I feel the worst time to start is actually in July because you will have missed out. So in the first 6 months of the year, there's many horse racing festivals that have a lot of match betting type offers on them where you can make a lot of profit. So if you start in July, that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to miss all of those. Now you might think, well, it's not a big deal. If you start in July, you can just do them when you get round to them in the next year. But because you're starting in July, by the time you get round to the next festivals, which the first one of, say for example, this year in 2022 is the Cheltenham Festival starting on the 15th of March. Well, if you start in July, by the time you get to the middle of March the following year, you will have more than likely lost maybe not all of your match betting accounts, all the bookmaker accounts, but probably the majority of any accounts that are really good for the offers. Now, if you're watching this video and it's July or after July of 2022, that's not to say that you just should not start match betting and put it off till next year. You should really just get started anyway. But maybe you want to think about preserving your accounts and not really doing match betting as hard as you could and taking every single offer so that you can have more of a chance of keeping your accounts into the first half of the next year. Now, what you've all clicked this video for is to find out when the absolute best time to start match betting is, and it's by no coincidence whatsoever that I'm uploading this video at the beginning of January of the year. And yet, believe it or not, the very best time to start match betting is actually right now. So at the very start of the year, if you've not yet started, you really want to get cracking with it, because what you're going to be able to do is set up all of your bookmaker accounts, get a good amount of practice in the months of January and February, getting through the motions of placing the back bets and lay bets, covering all the outcomes to take that risk-free profit. And then as you get towards the middle of March, you'll actually then be able to do your first Cheltenham Festival, known as the Match Bettors Christmas. That's why it's nicknamed Cheltmas. Because at that festival, you'll literally be able to make, hundreds, if not in the thousands of pounds of profit in just those 4 days of horse racing. Because you've started right now, you'll have all your accounts still. They'll all be very fresh. You'll be getting all of the offers, and you will more than likely, so I can't guarantee anything, but more than likely you will make an absolute fortune by starting right now. So I hope that's now cleared everything up and you now know the best time to start match betting. If you found any value from the video, please do press the like button. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.